Hey guys, what's up? I wasn't planning on shooting a video today, but I was working on a chest piece for a client and he wanted me to add straps to it. This is something I get asked a lot about on Facebook and Etsy, and I thought I'd just tackle it real quick for you guys. So let's get going. The supplies are going to be pretty basic: sandpaper, 5-minute epoxy, some webbing, and these buckles. I picked these up at the hardware store. Should be able to find them pretty easy. First thing we're going to do is just go through and wherever we're attaching straps is just sand it down, break up this shine, that way it'll give the epoxy a little bit to hold on to. And next, mix up some epoxy. Just get a little bit of this epoxy on here. And then I like to tack it in real quick with just some super glue. And then just paint over it. And on to the next one. Alright, I'm going to get these other two finished up and I'll be right back. Alright, it's been about an hour. I'm just going to go in here now and back this with hot glue. Just give it a little bit extra support. And then just add some padding over it. And the last thing, just bring these edges down so we don't fray out. And lace up our buckle. And this is going to hold really good, guys. It's not going to come off. And that's it, guys. I'm going to leave plenty of slack and he can cut it down to whatever fits him. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you next time.